Shiba Inu millionaire has retired at age 35. Pretty awesome story. We're going to dive into exactly how he did it in this video, guys. And $8,000 was all it took into SHIB at the right time. Helps a man retire at 35 years old. So it's no doubt that obviously the crypto industry provides us huge opportunities. And this was a story from 2021, some of the highlights and how revolutionary SHIB has been. I remember hearing these stories left and right like crazy. I was getting personal emails back in 2021. Oh my gosh, what's going on? I just bought a new house. I just bought a new car. It was amazing, right? And back in 2021, a 35-year-old supermarket warehouse manager, Rob, decided to explore the cryptoverse. He stumbled upon a 28-page white paper of the Shiba Inu network. This further got Rob invested in the coin. He said, after reading this, I was hooked. I just believed the words. Rob was taken by the terms experiment in decentralized spontaneous community development that the Wolf paper used to describe SHIB. The report noted how Shiba Inus are wonderful dogs, which also prompted Rob to make the investment. The manager, who was struggling to make $68K a year, went on to make a rather risky bet on SHIB for $8,000. This was a rather significant bet considering Rob's background. Man, 68 grand a year, that was still a lot better than I was doing in 2020. I was making 48K, 50K. And I know a lot of other people out there saying, hey, 68K, that's not too bad. However, things soon began to change for the former warehouse manager as SHIB started moving up. Rob further stated he would check his account hourly to make sure his profits were still there. I know the feeling, right? And when his Shiba Inu holdings hit 500K, he decided to cash it out and deposit it into his bank account. This certainly surprised him as he exclaimed, I come from quite a poor background. I could have never even fantasized about having this kind of money, but it wasn't gone. It wasn't a dream. Rob's investment soon reached over $1 million as the coin's value experienced another huge rise. The meme coin managed to rise again in October. Therefore, Rob, as well as other SHIB millionaires, are likely to have pocketed gains. He even claimed that he won't yet wiped out his entire capital, unlike the previous 500K he cashed out in May. He thinks it still has a lot of potential. Furthermore, Rob asserted that joining the SHIB community gave him a sense of belonging. Since then, he has invested in additional Shiba Inu ecosystem currencies like Leash. Now, things haven't been great for SHIB. Things haven't been great for the overall market here as a whole, especially when we go out to 2022. But right now, we are 88% down from the all-time high of 8845, 8845. And that is where we are right now. SHIB may or may not drop down and give that zero back. If it does, that's where I always look to add to my position. But interesting feel-good story. 8,000 into SHIB helps a man retire back in 2021. And that is just awesome. I love to see it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you.